In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to get coupon deals using coupon matchups. And then I'm going to show you how to find and use clipping services. These two things alone will have you extreme couponing in no time at all. So grab your coffee or tea and come follow me. We are going to learn how to do coupon matchups today. And what coupon matchups are bloggers who find the deals for you and they post them online. I have taught you how to find your own deals, but this is faster. It is obviously easier. So if you wanted to start with using matchups, that's fine, and find your own deals later. Or if you have the free time, find your own deals. But if you wanted to learn how to use coupon matchups, this will help you. So basically what you're going to do in Google is type in whichever store you want, because most of the time, almost every store has a blogger that does the coupon matchups for it. Sometimes multiple bloggers do matchups for certain stores. So let's just do Walmart. That's a worldwide store. And we're going to type in Walmart coupon matchups. And you can pick any of these that you want. It doesn't even matter. They might have the same deals. They might have found different ones. It doesn't even really matter. Just pick one. For the sake of the video, I have already found one that I want to use. So basically, this is what coupon matchups look like. And as you can probably see, this is exactly why I wanted to show you, because it just looks like a bunch of mumbo jumbo. So this is telling you that Honey Made graham crackers are $3.38. It's telling you that there is a 75 cents off of 2 coupon for Honey Made graham crackers. It's telling you that that specific coupon expires 6/29/19. And it's telling you can find that coupon in the Smart Source that came out 5/19/19. And why this is significant is depending on which method you use to organize your coupons. If you do the folder method, it's telling you to look in your folder, obviously, that has the Smart Source, that has your Smart Source from 5/19/19. So that's why I'm telling you one of the reasons that you need to be organized is so you can find coupons. So this is telling you, once again, this SS means Smart Source. That's the book it's in, and it's from 5/19. So you should be able to find it without a problem. If you just have the binder insert, or if you use the little album as I do, it's telling you basically it's the 75 cents off 2 Nabisco cookie or cracker product. Now it's also telling you that there is a $1 off of 3 Nabisco cracker, coupon. Came out expires 6/29/19, and it came from the Smart Source 5/19/19. Now this has an R next to it because it means regional. Now, one thing that I want to explain is that different areas get different coupon values. So with that being said, you might have had this coupon. You might have this coupon instead of this coupon. Different areas get different values. But if you look down here, she's telling you $3.01 each when you buy 2. Now, obviously, with that being said, if you're only going to buy 2, then you're using this coupon. These matchups, they give you multiple coupons that could be used for that product, but when they do the final price, they usually give you the cheaper one. So obviously, it's going to be cheaper if you use the 75 cents off of 2 coupon, and that will give you that $3.01 each when you buy 2. If you don't have that 75 cents off of each coupon and you choose to use this $1 off of 3, your price is going to be different. So with that being said, you could very easily find your own price, and what you would do is whip out your handy dandy calculator. And we're going to start right here, $3.38. Multiply that by 3 because you have to buy 3. And that gives you $10.14. So what you're going to do is take $1 off of 3. So minus 1. It will give you $9.14. 914 divided by 3 is 304. So you're going to pay $304 each when you buy 3 if you use this coupon. If you use this coupon, you're going to pay that price. Different areas give different coupons. See how my little clicker up here wants to click on that? That means that coupon is a printable. You can print it offline. So if you don't have this coupon right here, which is telling you there's $1 off of 2 General Mills coupon, it expires 7/13/19. It came out of Smart Source 6/2/19. If you can't find that coupon, then you can use this one. The next thing I wanted to show you while I am on a roll is that you can purchase certain coupons. Say, for example, we're going back down to, if we can find it. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, perfect. We're going back to our Honey Made graham crackers. Say I don't want to do that $1 off of 3 deal. I just don't want to. I want to try and find that 75 cents off of 2 Nabisco. I want that coupon. I don't want this $1 off of 3. Well, there are people who sell, I cannot say sell coupons. You can't sell coupons. That is illegal. You pay for them clipping them and their time. So what you're going to put in your Google search bar is clipping services. Coupon clipping services. I personally use Clip to Save. I've used many of these. I've used Clip to Save. I have used the coupon clippers. I have used the clipping. I've used most of these before. I've used coupon clips. I have used the coupon flea market before. So any of these really, and different areas have different coupons. So with that being said, we are going to click on Clip to Save. I actually subscribe to them, so I do get emails in. So with that being said, you can search for that and see if they have, thank you, Emma, good job. You can click and you can search and see if they actually have that coupon. Or if you know a coupon is going to be an awesome deal, you can order that coupon and see that price is 8 cents. You're paying per single coupon. So you don't have to go extreme, or you can go extreme. So you're paying 8 cents per coupon. And just out of curiosity, I don't remember how to use the site, but we're gonna try finding that graham cracker or Nabisco, I think. And she does have it. They do have it. So this would be the coupon, the first coupon that was talked about in our matchup, 75 cents off of 2 Nabisco. And it is 12 cents. And currently it's out of stock. However, say it was in stock. The price is 12 cents per coupon. Now, remember, you're buying 2 per the coupon. So however many you want, say you want 8, you would only get 4 coupons because you have to buy 2. You have to buy 2. So 4 coupons would give you 8. Remember, if you go and buy 20 coupons, you gotta buy 2. So you're gonna end up with 40 things of cookies. So with that being said, that's fine if that's what you want. Just remember that when you are buying individual coupons, that you remember that you're still abiding by what the coupon says. So another thing I wanted to tell you is when you do buy from certain people, make sure that you give it enough time to ship. Make sure that you you give yourself at least 3-4 days for shipping. My rule of thumb is I will not order. Okay, so sales start on Sunday morning, new sales, and they end Saturday night. So I will try and get my order in Sunday or Monday to have the coupons at least to me by Friday. And when you do it like that, you need to make sure that you give yourself enough time to do the deals. So give yourself 3 or 4 days for it to come, and then another day. So sometimes I cut it kind of close and I have to do all my shopping on a Saturday night because my coupons just came in the mail Saturday morning and the sales end Saturday night. But it really is what it is. Sometimes you can find better. Different areas have different coupons. So with that being said, this coupon I might not be able to find in my local paper. It might not be in my local paper, but I see this coupon and see that it's going to be an awesome deal with my sales ad that, I will go ahead and order these because I need that coupon and I want to find the best deal that I can. And then I will usually stock up. If I'm ordering coupons from a clipping service, that means I'm going to stock up. Save $1 off 2 Clorox cleanups. These coupons are 15 cents. These are the best coupons because you could tell because they're out of stock. So if you know a coupon is a good coupon and they have it, I would go ahead and order it. I've never had any problems with clipping services at all. They are not fake coupons. They are real coupons. This is completely legal. They are real coupons from real newspapers, just not in your area, in a different area. Like I said, different areas get different values. So with that being said, that's all I really wanted to show you for the coupon matchups and clipping services. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to drop it in the Facebook group. That's about it, guys.